How to transfer photos and videos from iPhone to Android. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. I'm showing this in Android. You can simply do this in iPhone. Search for Japia Transfer in your Google Chrome. Open the website and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Upload. Allow camera, and in here simply click on media picker and then select your videos and photos you want to send and press on start. After you've pressed on start, you will find copy link option at the top. After you have done this in your iPhone, simply open any app from which you can send link to Android phone. Paste the link and then send. After you have done that, the person with Android phone can simply see the link, open the link and download the pictures and videos from there. This is how to transfer photos and videos from iPhone to Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.